Beauties. In this video, I'll be doing a quick time-lapse tutorial of how I do my knotless braids and stitch cornrows. These are what I would call large knotless. To start off, I part out where I'm going to braid and then I split it into 3 sections. I take about the amount of hair that's in each section. That's how much braiding hair I use. And I just keep adding in pieces of braiding hair until I get the braid to the desired size. And when I'm using this red hair in the back, I'm making sure to tuck the ends of her real hair into the braid so it doesn't show. I'm parting her hair using the Bricklay Method, and all that means is that when I move up to the next row, I'm making sure that those braids kind of lay in the empty space from the row underneath it, if that makes sense. And it's just a good way to make sure that your braids look full. So now I'm done adding color. She just wanted a little pop of color in the back, and I'm just going to be quiet and you can watch me continue to braid.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grass.
Okay, now I'm moving on to the cornrows in the front. I'm doing a heart on each side. This was like my second attempt at doing a heart. The first time I did it, it was much bigger. The smaller one kind of gave me a run for my money, but I see how I messed up. I should have brought the points of the heart in the middle down a little further so they could look more symmetrical, but sometimes it's easier on camera to see where I went wrong instead of in person. I'm kind of blind, so now I know how to do the heart a little bit better. I didn't show the one on the other side because that one was worse than this one. And here is a close-up of how I use my comb to make my stitches. And here's the finished product, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Amaza Beauty. Also, please follow me on social media at Amaza Beauty. And thank you so much for watching.